Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Today, we are starting a fourth chapter Queries, Forms, and Reports in MS Access 2016. First, what is a query, what is a form, and what is a report? First, a query displays specific records from a table that meet a certain criteria. Criteria means any condition. Next is a form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. User can add, update, and delete records in table using a form. And the last term is a report. A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. Now, how to create a query? User have to follow the given steps. A query is based on table or on other queries. To create a query, first click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the query design from the queries group. The Show Table dialog box appears. Step 3. Choose the table on which you want to generate your query. Step 4. Click Add button. The selected table is added in the query window. And step 5. Click the Close button. Now, what is a query window? The query window is divided into two panes. The top pane displays the tables selected for the query. The bottom pane displays a design grid where you can add fields to the query and also specify the criteria. The design grid shows the following headings. First, filled row displays the field from the selected table. Next is table row displays the name of the table. Next is sort row used to filter the data in ascending or descending order. Next is show row displays a check mark which indicates that this field will be visible when the query is executed. Next is criteria row is used to specify the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered. Last one is OR row is used to specify multiple criteria. Next, using a query. To use a query, user need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid, and then run the query. For this, user have to follow the given step. First, choose the required field from the drop-down list of the field row in the design grid, or simply double-click on the field from the table in the top pane. Next, select the order of sorting in the sort row. Step 3. Specify the criteria in the criteria row. Step 4. Now to see the result of the query, click the Run from the results group in the Design tab of the ribbon. The result of the query is displayed in the datasheet view, showing only those records that satisfy the criteria. Next is setting relationship. A relationship works by matching data in the key fields. In most cases, these matching fields are the primary key from one table which provides a unique identifier for each record and a foreign key in the other table. To create a relationship, user have to follow the given steps. Create both the tables and open one of them in the datasheet view. Click the table tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click relationship from the relationship group. The show table dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the table and then click the add button. Select another table to link. Click the add button. Step 4. Click the close button. Next, drag the primary key of the parent table and drop it into the same field in the child table. The edit relationship dialog box appears. Step 6. Click the create button. User sees the relationship created. Save the work. Now, next, how to create a form. To create a form, select the table for which you want to create the form and follow the given step. First, click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the form from the Forms group. Access creates a form and places all the fields of the selected table on the form. Use the navigation pane to move through the records of the form. There are three views in which a form can be displayed. First is form view. The form view is used to enter or edit data. Next is layout view. Layout view allows you to see the data as it will appear when you are using the form. You can also change the form design in this view. The form is actually running when it is shown in layout view. And the last one is design view. Design view gives you more detailed view of the structure of the form. You can see three sections of the form header, detail and form footer. The form is not actually running when it is shown in design view. Next is how to formatting a form. Access provide a user the facility to change the appearance of the form by using various options available in the design and format tab. First is using design tab. User can add the title, logo and the date and time of your form using options present under header and footer groups in the design tab. And next, using format tab. User can format form using formatting option present in the format tab. For example, formatting font, adding background image, changing shape, color, etc. Next is reports in MS Access. How to create a report. To create a report, select the table or query on which user want to create report and follow the given step. First, click the create tab on the ribbon. Step 2, click the report from the reports group. There are four views in which a report can be displayed. First is report view, second is print preview, third one is layout view and fourth one is design view. So class, in this way we have completed this chapter, and in this chapter we have learned about the queries, forms and reports. Thank you class for watching.